Welcome to day 2 of our squat challenge. Before we start, I would like to ask you to stop this video for a moment and go and record yourself how you do your regular squat so far, how you learned to squat. And try to record yourself from the side so you can see how your hips, knees, and ankles move. So after 7 days, you can record yourself and then you're going to see the change. It's important to not only feel the change, the new pattern in your body, but also to see it visual. Yeah, that's the best way to own the new pattern. All right, so go ahead and record your video and come back and then continue from here. So how do you feel after the first day? I will like to share with you what changed for me. So I got a hip surgery 3 years ago on this side, and they did 3 holes where they entered with all the tools, right? And around that area where the fascia gets cut during surgery, the tissue is still in trauma, it's tied in protective mode. It's 3 years ago, but still the protection mode is still here, right? So after the challenge we did yesterday, I felt during the rest of the day that something was going on here. Yeah. Maybe you felt something similar. And if you felt something, that's a good sign because that means that your pattern is changing. All right, then grab your tools, set up in your starting position. Remember, feet hip width apart, feet parallel. Grab your strap short first so you can straighten your arms and then lean back by letting the strap getting longer. And then when you're in your starting position, we're going to do 5 slow smart squats to check into this challenge, all right? And then inhale, push your hip back first, bend your knees and lean with your whole weight back. Exhale, come up, straighten your legs. Inhale, push your butt back, fold in your knees, and come up. 3, inhale, push your butt back, exhale, push in the toes into the heels. 4, inhale, hip back, sit down on an imaginary stool and come up. Last time, inhale, pushing hip back, bend, fall back with your whole weight, push into the heels and toes, come up. Rest for a second. Okay, well done. Now, we're going to step close to the wall and use the wall as a natural landmark instead of using a resistance band. First, I would like to identify your weak side, the knee that would collapse in more than the other. And then you would position yourself with that knee next to a wall, a closet, whatever you have at home. All right? And I'm going to stop this video here and set up my position. Before we begin, safety first. Make sure you're stepping on a mat to avoid slipping, sliding, and that if you're using a towel on the handle, make sure you're gonna pull into the part of the handle which is close, okay? All right. Set up. It's not about touching the wall. It's just, you just leave like, this little bit of space. Set up your position. I'm gonna have to fixed. Okay. Then grab your strap, lean back, hip width apart, and for the moment, for the beginning, just hang in there. So you get used to this new position close to the wall. And then try to come close with your foot, with your knee and your shoulder. The hip is not possible. Okay? So inhale, push your bottom back, sit down and try to keep your knee, which is at the wall, close to it. Exhale, come up. Inhale, come down. Exhale, come up. Next time we're gonna stay down. Push your hip back, fold. And then stay here, okay? Keep everything, this is my left side. I keep my left shoulder, my left knee, and my left foot close to the wall. And now just hang in here. And you're gonna feel the left leg is working, okay? Because we have this landmark on the left side, on my left side. Okay, relax your shoulders down and now push into your heels. Inhale here, exhale, come up. Take a breath here. If you want, just wiggle your legs a little bit to relax. And next time we're going down, we're going to lift up the heel, okay? When we're in position. Inhale, push your hip back, bend in your knees, keep that knee close to the wall. And when you're in your position, press into your toes, and if you can, lift the heels. Keep the knee close to the wall. Upper body is back, back, back. And relax, lower your heels. Exhale, come up and take a break. Okay, relax, shake out your hands and legs. All right, and then we're gonna switch sides. All right, now the other side, the other knee. Step close to your landmark, your referral. Then wrap your strap. Take your time in setting up your position. It's very important. Then you can focus on the sensations in your feet and hips. Well, in this position, of course, my outer arm, let's say, it's holding a longer strap because I am recording it. But you at home should have the same length in both arms. All right? Okay. Feet hip width apart. And now this is my bed side, right? Even when I'm standing here and I try to bring the knee close to the wall, I already feel the old pattern, and it's like, oh, my knee says I don't want to be there. I'm fine here, right? Okay. Challenge for me on this side. Okay. Take your starting position. This is too short. Okay. Lean back. Stay for a second so you have your full body weight back. Then push your hips back. Bend your knees and try to keep that knee close to the wall. Exhale, come up. Straighten your legs. Inhale, push your hips back. Fold in the knee or bend in your knee. Exhale, come up. Next time, stay down. Inhale here and work that knee. Full weight distribution on your whole foot, on both feet. Look forward, relax your shoulders. Breathe. Breathe. Push into your big toe and your heels. Exhale, come up. Inhale, come down. Stay. Let your knee work. Let your feet work. And when you're ready, push into your toes. Try to pick up your heels. Full body weight back. Exhale. Lower your heels. Inhale here. Exhale. Come up. I have to take a break because my right, all the muscles and fascia around my right knee are screaming. It's quite a challenge for me. If you need a break between the repetitions, feel free to stop the video and take your break, okay? You can hear my breath is quite heavy now. So if you want, take a break with me or do another repetition as I wait that my breath is coming down a little bit, and then we do 3 more, okay? All right, get into your starting position, lean back, straight arms, come close to your reference, and then push your hips back, bend, and keep the knee close to your reference point. Exhale, come up, relax your shoulders. Shoulders always far away from your ears. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Push in your grab the mat with your toes. Push into your heels and inhale, come up. Exhale, come up. Sorry. My brain needs all the oxygen. Last time. Inhale. And then stay. Stay. Exhale, come up. Whew. Well done. Shake out your legs. And as usual, if you're still fine, your breath is telling you, do some more repetition, maximum 5. If you breathe in heavy like I do, that's fine. You're done for today. Give yourself a break now. And for the rest of the day, try just to feel what's changing in your whole leg, the articulation of your joints, the way how your leg extends back and forth. How does your ankle move, etc., etc. All right. We didn't do any warming up. That's because it's in the middle of the day. I'm quite warm, but I forgot to say that. Sorry about that. If you need to warm up and you feel more comfortable to warm up before you step into the challenge, always feel free to do it. And I try to remember it for tomorrow. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow.